Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and a very warm welcome to you all. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the brand new Black Widow pencils that I got for Christmas. This is the newest release from Black Widows and it is the Dragon set. So today I'll be unboxing them, and in a few weeks I'm going to come back and I'm going to go more in depth into the brand. I'm going to talk to you about the pencils and I'm going to tell you why I really rate these. So definitely check back in a few weeks for that. But today we're just going to unbox and appreciate these amazing pencils. So let's jump into it. Now, there were reports that some people were having the pencils delivered damaged. So I did say to my husband that had he ordered these for me, because I didn't know that he definitely ordered them for me for Christmas, I said he needed to open them up and check and make sure they were okay. So this might look opened, but that's because he's opened it and checked it. But when they come, they just come in an Amazon box and they have just this wrapping around it. I guess this is in case the lid pops off to stop the pencils kind of spilling out everywhere. There's no other real need for this, but this is literally all the packaging you get, which is great. So let's just get this out and have a look. Regardless of which set you buy, it always comes in a really lovely tin, and it always has a picture on the front of the name. Now, each set of pencils has been named after a creature. So we had Black Widow was the first one, we've had scorpions, we've had monarchs where we had the big stag, we've had skin tones, now we've got a dragon. So that's really nice. I believe there are 36 pencils in this box, and then if we flip it over on the back you can see all the colours here, and then it covers off the safety things from a renewable energy source. So let's get into this. Now there is some tape, I don't know if you can see, slightly around the box. Now, I would assume this is because my husband has opened them and checked them like I asked him to, but I'm not sure. I may be wrong. So let's take the lid off. And this is what we have. So they are always covered in this film as well. Now you can see these look pretty good. There's no obvious signs of damage. I assume my husband cut into that, but I'm not really sure. I'll have to ask him. But they look pretty good. But look at those colours. Beautiful. So let's get this film off. Again, that just protects the pencils. I guess if the lid comes off, stops them jumping about in transit. So really, there is no real need for that outer one, but I guess it's an extra fail-safe. Okay, so we have 2 layers of colours. If I can get this one up. There we go. I think it's just about going to fit in shot, luckily. So we start at the greens over here, we come through into some teals and blues, down to purple, we go into the grungier colours. There's a really interesting gold there. Then we come into the yellows, the peaches, some really nice oranges. We needed some good oranges. I'm very happy to see those. Then we come to a couple of pinks, some like plummy colours, purples, and then to really deep red down here. So they are really nice colour choices. I'm really happy to see some new oranges. I did feel like we were lacking oranges. I'll be really interested to see how this red swatches out. Greens, we had quite a few greens. I'm not convinced we needed any more, but we'll see. It'll be interesting to see how they fit into the spectrum. this is the first time I'm adding to a complete set. So I don't know whether it's kind of like a Tim Holtz moment where you're like, why do I need that? Oh, that's why. You know, like with the distress inks, he brings out a colour and you're like, and then he shows you the colour and he puts it amongst the others and you're like, that's why I needed the colour I never knew I needed. It might be like that with these. I don't know. I know that these have been around for a while, like as a brand. So other people will have had like the Black Widows first and then like got the next set and added, and been in this position before where they're looking at colours going, did I need that colour? Whereas, you know, it's my first time, so I'm excited. Now I do need to get a new swatch sheet because, as I've just said, I am adding to an already complete set. I know that in the Black Widow Facebook group, some people have already put some swatch sheets up that we can download. I also know Colouring Bliss has done her own one, so I'm going to have a look, see which one I like the best and download it and swatch them. This may sound slightly crazy, but the smell coming off these pencils is amazing. I love the smell of new pencils. It's almost as good as new paper pads. Just looking at some of these names, I can see they do have good names, I will say. As a brand, they come up with good names. So we have Saddle over here, which obviously appeals to me. We have Gold Dust. That one is Serpent. What's that? Mellow Yellow. Bruise. Really good descriptive names. Let's see what else I can really quickly see here. Dragon's Breath. Oh, amazing. That's really all there is to an unboxing of Black Widow pencils, I'm afraid. It's literally, here they are. This is what they feel like. This is what they smell like. This is what you can see. I would swatch them out, but I don't have the swatch sheet. And I'm not sure, is that the kind of thing you'd want to see? Let me know in comments if that's the kind of thing you'd like to see in an unboxing video, and then I'll know for next time. But definitely keep an eye on the channel because I am going to do a full review on the whole brand and the set. So I'm going to give you a bit more information about the brand as well, because it is a small business. So when you buy these pencils, you're supporting a small business. They're not in the UK. They are, I believe, in Australia. So in my view, I think it's really important to support small business. I think it's important to support UK small business, but also it's important to support small business around the world, and really get behind them, especially when you get one as good as this, because this brand is amazing and their customer service is awesome, which I will go into in the next video. So hopefully within the next month and a half, that video will be filmed and up. We'll see how life pans out, but that's my plan. I hope you've enjoyed this really short, sweet video on the dragons. If you haven't seen them before, they are beautiful, as you can see. I'll just bring one up so you can see. They're not round pencils, which I really like. They are shaped, and I really like that. I like that they're not round. It makes it easier to use, in my opinion, but I'm only a beginner, so what do I know? The price point on these is also very good. They're very inexpensive pencils, so if you're just starting out, you could grab any of the boxes and you will have a really good cross section of colours. Maybe if your budget stretches, you could grab a box and one of the skin sets. There's only 2 skin sets, and then you've got all your bases covered, and then you can just add to it when you can. But as I say, I will go more in depth in the review video in the next few weeks. But that's my unboxing. Very short, very sweet, very to the point, hopefully. and I hope you've enjoyed it. So if you have, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe and ring the bell for notifications for when I upload so you don't miss the next one. And I will be back soon with more videos. So please let me know what you think of these pencils in the comments. Let me know if you've got them, and let me know if there's anything you want to see in the review video. Is there anything you want to know? Is there anything you want to see? Definitely let me know, and I will make sure to try and include it in that video. So thank you once again for watching today. I'll be back soon with more videos, and until next time, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.